Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing wonderful today. I'm the Portfolio Panda. This is one of the few exceptions where I'm going to actually recommend something to you. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a must-read for anyone interested in the stock market and investing. The book is an excellent resource for those who are just starting out in the world of investing. It provides a solid foundation for understanding the stock market, portfolio management, and the key principles of value investing. The book is a classic investment book that has been read by millions of people since it was first published in 1949. Graham's philosophy of value investing is based on the idea that investors should look for undervalued companies and buy them at a discount to their intrinsic value. Intrinsic value refers to the true value of a company, as opposed to its market value. Graham believed that if investors were patient and disciplined, they could earn superior returns by buying good companies when they were undervalued and selling them when they were overvalued. One of the key concepts in the book is the distinction between investing and speculating. Graham argued that investing involves a thorough analysis of a company's financial statements, management, and long-term prospects, while speculating is based on rumors and short-term market movements. Graham believed that investing should be a rational and disciplined process, not a game of chance or speculation. Graham also emphasized the importance of a margin of safety, which is the difference between a stock's market price and its intrinsic value. The margin of safety provides a cushion against the risk of loss and helps protect investors from the emotional ups and downs of the stock market. Graham believed that investors should only buy stocks when they are priced below their intrinsic value, and that the margin of safety should be at least 33%. Another important concept in the book is the idea of Mr. Market. Graham used this metaphor to illustrate the emotional and irrational nature of the stock market. According to Graham, Mr. Market is a fictional character who represents the stock market. He is an emotional and irrational character who sometimes offers to buy stocks at prices far above their intrinsic value, and other times sells them for much less than they are worth. Graham advised investors to take a patient and disciplined approach to investing, and to think of themselves as business owners rather than traders. He believed that investors should focus on the underlying value of a company rather than on short-term market fluctuations. The book also offers practical advice on portfolio management, including the importance of diversification and the use of dollar-cost averaging. Graham recommended that investors own a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, and that they use dollar-cost averaging to gradually invest money in the market over time. He also suggested that investors should rebalance their portfolios periodically to maintain their desired asset allocation. One of the key lessons of the book is the importance of discipline and patience in investing. Graham believed that investors should be disciplined in their approach to investing, and that they should not be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. He advised investors to have a long-term perspective and to avoid reacting to market news or rumors. Graham also stressed the importance of avoiding excessive risk in investing. He believed that investors should only invest in stocks and bonds that they understand, and that they should avoid speculative investments that are not backed by solid financial fundamentals. Overall, The Intelligent Investor is a timeless book that offers valuable insights into the world of investing. Graham's philosophy of value investing has been followed by some of the most successful investors in history, including Warren Buffett, who has called The Intelligent Investor the best book on investing ever written. Whether you are a novice investor or a seasoned professional, this book is an essential read for anyone interested in the stock market and investing. As usual, let me know any questions in the comments below, and make sure to share this with your least financially savvy friend, then tell me if I did okay at explaining the topic. Your most valuable asset is your time. Thank you for sharing yours with me. Until next time.